Just a little old coming at you. We're gonna steal the vlog today. We up here in Kingsport, Tennessee, having a good time. It's been raining for 2 days, but we're gonna make the best of it. We got some ponchos. We're gonna go get into something. Stay tuned.
KBA Tennessee Valley Authority down the dams in Tennessee. They were funded, remember, by Franklin Roosevelt. He's going to come out with this stuff.
Yeah.
Actually, it's funded after him, Bubba. It's funded the Eisenhower presidency around the 50s when they started building. Oh, you recording, ain't you?
Yep.
When they started building the dams in Tennessee, it was in the 50s, I think. Mine ain't waterproof. Something I can use mine. You know, yours is waterproof. Camera.
Yeah.
That's why they start making it strict on people, but we don't.
Yeah.
You're here. They got the dam open today because it was raining.
Yeah.
I still kind of think you're close. This ain't waterproof. It's water resistant. Waterproof. That was waterproof. You put it in the water.
Say hi. Getting a good view over here. A long way down. You sure you don't want me to climb the bridge? I'm gonna climb the bridge. They want me to climb it.
The 1500 Schumacher lithium rugged jump starter. So in other words, I saved almost $100 by getting it off the internet.
Yeah.
Walmart's not the cheapest place to get them now, but you can go in there and it's at a pawn shop, so somebody probably stole it. They just got it on the liquidated deal at the pawn shop, you know, where they bought bulk something quantity. $50 for almost a $150 jump starter.
I got this little, I always keep this earphone on me.
What are you recording?
Yeah, see. Has the air pump built in. Here, hold that. And it has an extension cable.
Feels like a pretty good one, isn't it?
It's like $80 for that one.
You get
It has an extension.
Is it a strong pump?
Oh yeah. Be able to run instantaneously. And if you're in the middle of the road, you pop this light off, and you can
Flash
switch
it.
on it. Oh, hold on. Might be dead. Oh, it'll die.
Maybe you charge it up.
The battery's probably old. See,
It is.
it turns on when you got it plugged in the car automatically.
Yeah.
But you take it off, it has batteries in it, but it must be dead. One of the kids probably left the button on.
I left it on.
It's nice though.
Pumps up good. Have you used it?
Oh yeah.
That one I got on that tractor supply is a strong one, yeah. It says 250. I don't know if it's 250, but it'll pump up. I pumped up a complete fat tire in about 8 minutes, most 7-8 minutes. With
Yeah, the digital display and everything.
You know, the tractor supply is about 8 minutes. But hey, all of them, because they're in an enclosed case like
Eventually
this.
get hot, yeah.
8 minutes as long as you run it. About 7-8 minutes, stop and let it cool down, then start back. Yeah, you burn the motor up on it because they're in an enclosed box.
Yeah.
This one does have a heat sink on it though.
Yeah. And the camera. You're filming. You're the director. She's the director. She's filming. It's the first time you operate the camera.
No. Well, this one, yes.
Light working?
No,
Uh-oh.
it's not working.
Oh, I ain't got it on there right. There
Oh, you didn't have it on right.
the light. Little LCD display on it. I like it.
You gonna leave it in charge? Charge it later.
Okay. You ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready.
You recording this?
She's recording
Yes. Really?
It has a basketball inflator and an air mattress inflator in here too. The little tips for it.
Get some shot of the bridge. Turning around slow. When you're moving, I always turn around
Slow.
like this. So
Okay.
you're jerking somebody fast.
I'll have to get somebody whiplash.
Really?
Hey people, it's a super Sunday. It's a super rainy Sunday. One day before Memorial Day 2023. Y'all know me, Big O. Real name's Owen. This is Big O number 2, Owens Jr. And this is Tiffany. I'm gonna get slapped. Tiffany was his ex-girlfriend he was with 5 years. So this is Heather operating the camera, a professional photographer, videographer, right? You're a professional
Yes.
camera operator,
You
right?
don't want
Director.
people to see what you got in your trunk right here. When you pull that out, you shut it, you can't see what's in your trunk.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
So we're going to head up to the Fort Patrick Henry Dam overlook. There's a building up there. Just glance through and we'll probably go home and goof off. Nothing too excited because it's raining. When it rains constantly, it's limited what you can do.
Yeah,
It
you
limits
ride-
what you can do.
You ride snapper lawnmowers
We
around.
could ride snapper lawnmowers in the rain and put our clear ponchos on and call it a day in the rain.
All right, ready? Go.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Thanks for watching. Say bye, Heather.
Bye.
Like you, same color as your pump.
She'll find something.
people over the river in Tennessee, the dam. They'll be right over there. Possibly raining. Thanks for riding along.